Meaning of desiccation.
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 Desiccation. Desiccation refers to the process of removing moisture from something, leading to its drying out. This can occur naturally or through deliberate means, such as exposure to the sun or the use of drying agents. The result of desiccation is a reduction in water content, which can have various effects depending on the object being desiccated. For example, desiccation of food can increase its shelf life, while desiccation of soil can lead to desertification and a loss of biodiversity. Overall, desiccation is a significant factor in many biological, environmental, and commercial processes.